Hi guys, and welcome back to 7 Sensational Girls. This week's theme is fireworks, and I'm really excited because I'm doing firework facts. So number 1 is the Chinese used the firecracker to scare off mountain men. Number 2 is the invention of fireworks led to the invention of pyrotechnic weaponry, not the other way around. Fireworks are just a chemical reaction. You can't recycle with fireworks. Number 6. 7. Sparklers burn a greater temperature than a blowtorch. Number 8. People in the UK spend about £15 million on fireworks each year. So that is my facts about fireworks. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to some Sensation Girls. Subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next Fabulous Friday. Bye everyone.